Hey ladies, thanks for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mitzi and I'm a paper girly. And if you're a returner, welcome back. Okay girls, so we are back with another purse review. This time we are doing a purse review from a company called OG Bags. OG Bags, they reached out to me and they said, Mitzi, you want to pick out something cute? And gosh, I said, yeah. I said, yes, I would love to have something cute from you to show off to the girlies, to do a review on. But let's get right to the bottom line here. This is a dupe bag. This is a replica bag. This is a fake, whatever you want to call it. This is not a Prada bag. This is a designer bag that is a replica bag. So now that we have that out in the open, let's get to the review. So first off, the box. I mean, we are in Paper Girlie Studio and I am all about paper. So what really, is first impression for me? It is the box. So let me just be the first one to say, my box came kind of crinkled. However, that said, this box is coming from China. I know that, you know that, we all know that, and with international shipping, sometimes boxes get some crinkles. And this is the one thing that I am excited about this box, because these little two pieces on top, they punched out. They punched out right here, and then it has this ribbon. And then you can kind of carry it. You can carry it. What, a purse inside a purse? Who doesn't love that? So yeah, will this box be used for something besides holding a purse? Yeah, you know it will. You know it will, because goodness, I'm transparent here. I'm here about the paper. I'm here about the paper and the stickers. And when somebody reaches out to me and says, hey, I got a purse, I got something cute, do you want to show it to your audience? I don't have a problem with that. However, we all know that, goodness, I'm not a purse gal. I'm not a purse gal per se. However, I do like something cute. I don't have a problem coming on here and showing it to you, showing you what I got, and then letting you know about it, letting you know about if it is a quality purse. Because even though it is a dupe purse, these are still, $200, $300, $400. And they are replicas. However, they actually are nice purses. So that is why I am on here again with one of these purses. So let's get right into the box and see what we got. So before we even get into the box, I want to let you know that this is a magnetized box. And what does that mean? Is that it has magnets in the closure. And whether you're going to store your bag in here or you're going to put something else to store in here, well, I really appreciate a magnetized closure because it's going to keep whatever is in here safe. So what do we get inside? Well, first off, we get some paperwork. I don't really care about that because then we get a gift bag. And goodness, do I wish that this gift bag wasn't folded, didn't have a crease here? Yeah, of course I do, but I get it. This has got to get inside the box, so it's gonna have a crease. So the first thing that you get is a gift bag, and then you get some ribbon. You get some cute, Prada branded ribbon. So I like that. I like that a lot. So you get the bag, you get the ribbon, and then this is what comes in the box. And this is, well, it's a little, I'm gonna say, is it felty, kind of felty little bag that then your purse is inside of. And your purse is protected by plastic. So this is the purse. It is pink because you know me, I'm a pink girly. And then let's get in here. Let's get into this bag. So here we go. This is the Prada replica bag. So once again, the strap is protected with, what is this? Gosh, I don't even know what this is, but it is protected. So let's get in here and I'm going to very carefully cut into this. I don't want to cut into the actual handle. And then there we go. There we go. So this is the bag. It is, an over the shoulder bag. You can make this, I'm going to say, can you make this shorter? I'm going to say that maybe, let me see. Yep. You can make it shorter. So you can make it shorter just by pulling the strap like this, and it pulls down and you can make it shorter. So you can do it as a handbag. You can do it as a shoulder bag. Let's see. You can do it across the body. You could even do it as an across the body bag. And goodness, this is how I would probably wear it. Just because I like to have my stuff close to my body. I like to be able to use both of my hands when I'm shopping and all that kind of stuff. So that is the bag. It has gold hardware on it. Girls, gotta be honest with you, I'm not into gold hardware. However, this is how the bag came. So, you know, I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at it. So then, girls, we have to do the zipper test. You know that I have to do the zipper test because that is important to me. So let me do it real quick. Okay, that looks good as I'm watching it. It feels good as I'm pulling it. Because gals, for me, these bags, these dupe bags, these branded dupe bags, I don't really care about the brand, to be quite honest with you. What I care about is that it is a quality made bag. And one of the things that says to me right off, you know, the punch is if it's quality, is if it has a good zipper. And so far so good, it feels good to me. So let's look inside this bag. It has just the stuff that comes inside bags, the packaging to keep its shape. So let's get that out of here. Just throw it on the ground for now. It's got, let's see what else. What is this? What is this? Oh, goodness gracious. I think, well, it has a little card, a branded card inside, just like this. And yeah, it's just paperwork. It's just paperwork because once again, I think one of the reasons that women love these, you know, these dupe bags is because, like I said before, you get the luxury experience at a budget price. So that comes with it as well. And has the regular little, you know, silicone packs in it. And then this, what is this? What is this? I'm not sure what that is. It is a keychain holder. You could put your keys on that. You could put your keys on that. And then I'm assuming that, oh, here you go. You're going to take this and then attach it to your purse. So that's a little extra thing. I didn't realize that was coming in there. So I'm just going to put that in the box there. I'm going to get rid of that packaging. So let's look inside. So the inside of this bag has the branding. It has the branding, and then let's see. Yeah, it looks like there is a little, what are we calling that? Ceramic branding piece on that. So that is nice. It's not just, you know, what's the word? It's not just printed on. It actually has a little ceramic branding piece in there. So I'm just gonna, sorry, I'm doing the smell test too, because this is, you know, it is advertised as a leather handbag. And so I gotta smell it. I gotta smell it to see if it is leather. Feeling it, smelling it. I'm going to look inside at the stitching, because once again, like I say, I'm concerned about it being a well-made bag, not the branding. Though the branding is cute, the color is cute. When I get these bags, when I get the opportunity to get these bags, I am mostly concerned on whether it is a well-made handbag. So I'm very transparent about that. I'm transparent about that with the company. I'm transparent about that here in the videos that I make. Is that for me, my big concern is if somebody's wanting to have, you know, a replica bag, a dupe bag from one of these companies, and there are many of them out there, I'm wanting them to be quality. I'm wanting them to be quality because, yeah, is this, you know, thousands and thousands of dollars? No, it isn't. That's the great part about it. But it has to be worth the price point that they're asking. So that is what I'm looking for when I make these videos. So the stitching looks pretty nice in there. Actually, it looks, yeah, it does look nice. Let's see. I'm going to take that back. No, I'm not going to take that back. The stitching looks pretty nice. That is where, if you are a seamstress, a sewer, then you know when you do an inside layer like this, there has to be a place where you actually, you know, bend it back into itself. And so there is that, but that, the stitching looks fine. So that is the Prada purse. That is the inside again. This is the outside. There is not a pocket inside. Not that I was expecting it. I'm just putting that as a fact. There is not a pocket inside. But the zipper feels good. It feels like leather. The construction feels good. The outside seams on here, look nice and straight. And yeah, is this a bag that I would wear? Yeah, it is. This is a bag that I would wear. This is a bag that I would feel comfortable taking out for a cute little stroll, to go to the mall, to go out to dinner, something along that lines. So, goodness. Let's get this back off. It goes back inside. Oh, gosh. It goes back inside the little, what do we call this? What do we call this? Protector bag? Is that what we call it? Like I said before, I'm not a huge bag girl in the first place, but I do appreciate that it comes with a little bag to protect it, because goodness, is this an everyday bag for me? No, it's not, because it is, well, it is a fashion bag. It is a fashion bag, and so I would take this out to wear with an outfit for when I'm out there all gussied up, you know, trying to get my cute on, so to say. So this bag comes in the box, comes with the gift bag, comes with the ribbon. You know, well, let's just try it out. If this was going to be a gift to someone, comes with a magnetized box, which I do like. You punch out the tops, so then you have the little ribbon closure or handles like this. So that is the box that it comes in. And let's check it out. Does it fit inside here? Well, girls, oh gosh, does it fit inside? Please, yes, it does. It fits inside the box just like that. It's got the little handles on here. It has a cute little ribbon. So if you were going to, say, fluff it up with some tissue paper in here, wrap it with the ribbon, that would be a very nice gift. That would be a very nice gift. And yeah, does it have the ridge here, the little fold over line? Yeah, it does. However, but honestly, if I knew somebody who was into these type of designer dupe bags, I don't think that they would care about, you know, the gift bag having a little ripple, having a little fold. So girls, that's it for me today. This is the handbag that I'm just showing off, gifted to me, this replica handbag. It is by OG Bags. And gosh, all of the information, it will be down below in the description. And girls, as per usual, when somebody wants to gift me something to show off to you, I say, hey, give me that coupon code. Give me that coupon code for the girls that might be interested. So yeah, Julie gave me a coupon code. And so the coupon code, the links to the website, it is all down in the description. So girls, thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, from one paper girlie to another.